I did use a little bit of heat, which was just to blow dry out my hair, so that way I could really get it slick. I mean, heat on the blow dryer is optional, and I did use added hair, but if your hair is long enough or the bun that you can make is good enough for you, then I guess you don't need to use the added track that I did. And as you can see over there, I just have some Eco Styler because I forgot to put it with the rest of the products. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so now just to get started, what I'm going to do first is section off my hair so that I can start blow drying it. And I'm just blow drying in sections because my hair is just really thick, and this is the best way to get it done. So now to blow dry my hair, I'm just taking like a regular wig brush or whatever, and I'm brushing out my hair and adding the heat to it. I make this really funny face. But yeah, as you can see, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to speed up this clip. Now here, as you can see, I'm just taking the next section and going in with my blow dryer.
Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lady, you keep pushing it, would you get out the deal? Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? Yeah, but you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sleep days and I'll explain.
Now that your hair is all blow dried out, you're ready to start the actual bun. So the first thing that I'm going to do for my bun is take my rat tail comb, and I'm going to give myself a nice side part. And once I've got that part, I just kind of push down the hair in the direction that I want it to go. And I'm just taking the wig brush to like reinforce my hair in the direction that I wanted to go for the bun. Now I am going in with the Shine and Jam styling gel, professional conditioner styling gel, something like that. And I'm just applying that to like to my hair around the part and smoothing that down, smoothing it into my hair to get ready for it to become slick. Now, as you can see, I'm taking my favorite Eco Styler gel, which is the one with the red top. It's the argan oil version. And I'm going over that to just add extra sleekness before I brush it down. Eco Styler Gel is the best product for probably this hairstyle on our hair type. As well, as you can see, my mom comes in. I think she was asking me about all the smoke that my blow dryer made. And now I'm just going in with my brush, which is a very hard brush I got from the beauty supply store. But I'm just going in and I'm reinforcing that gel for the sleek ponytail. As you can see, it's working really well. And to help lay down some of the thickness, I go in with the wig brush as well. And as you can see, that sleek ponytail coming along. When I'm doing my sleek hair, I do this little method where I swoop it like just before I get to my ear, and then I swoop it behind. As I reach my forehead. So me, because of my thick grade of hair, I have to use 2 hair ties. So I grab my 2 hair ties and I pull the ponytail in tight.
Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing.
And now, ladies, for the best part of this hairstyle, you take your 24-hour edge tamer and your toothbrush and you go to work on those baby hairs.
Take a couple sick days and I'll miss babe. I don't even know what things are looking like. So you won't blaze and I take away. The sneakers get on one side and I can't even lie to you. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me. Come and see me. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me.
After you're all done laying those baby hairs, I am just taking some bobby pins to just make sure the hairs just stay slicked down. And honestly, after this, if your hair is like the desired length in the back, you can leave it. But for the people who want to add hair, stay tuned.
She just got real sticks and getting them tears done. I hear you talking about me a lot, boy, you speak French now. Giving me signs, so I gotta take a hit now. I hate you.
So now, as you can see, I'm just wrapping my hair up into a small little bun, which I needed to go grab a small rubber band to secure the tiny bun. So I'm taking this small rubber band and I'm making a tiny bun in the back, and now I'm about to grab the tracks to wrap them around and create a bigger, massive bun for the sleek hairstyle. So I'm wrapping the track around in a like circular fashion, and as you can see, the bun is forming. I'm taking another hair tie to secure it, kind of like a messy bun type thing going on in the back. And there you have it. I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and please like and share for more.
Never got to